welcome to Spiritual Station. We are embarking on a journey together. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel, like and share the video to help us reach more people on their path to self-discovery. Hello, beautiful spirit, and welcome to an inner journey that will unveil the potential of your day. Imagine your mind as a fertile garden, brimming with possibilities. This morning, as the day's canvas awaits your brushstrokes, we'll cultivate a seed of intention to guide your journey. Our subconscious mind is most active, and some say most impressionable, right after we wake up. This gives us a tremendous opportunity to impact how the rest of our day plays out. So to get started, get into a position you can comfortably hold for a bit. If you are doing this meditation shortly after waking up, be sure you're not in a position you'd otherwise fall back to sleep in. Gently close your eyes and begin taking deep, refreshing breaths. Let each exhale ease you into a peaceful, focused state. Turn your full attention inwards, prioritizing your well-being in this moment. As you continue breathing, notice your breath's journey through your body, weaving in and out of every cell, muscle, and joint. Feel the groundedness and connectedness in these areas, allowing your breath to ease any tension you may hold. Feel the subtle sensations within your body, a symphony of life playing beneath your skin. Be aware of any judgments that might come up as you do this. It's natural for this to happen, so instead of judging the judgment, simply acknowledge that it's there, and then let it drift away, replacing it with loving thoughts for how your body will support you through this day too. Now let's set an intention for the day. Often, when focusing on intentions, we think of achieving something. However, what truly matters is how achieving that thing makes us feel. So begin to focus now on how you'd like to feel today. It can be tempting in this process to focus on what you don't want. So if you notice yourself doing that, it's okay. Simply let that pass and then refocus on what you do want. Is it the deep calm of a tranquil ocean, the quiet satisfaction of a completed task, or the vibrant energy of a playful child? Perhaps you want a day filled with ease, peace, joy, and flow. Allow these feelings to bloom within you, bathing your body and heart in their light. Savor the experience, letting it become an anchor for your day. Next, envision the day's end. How do you want to feel as you look back on your journey? Perhaps it's a sense of fulfilled potential, a heart brimming with joy, or a mind brimming with new experiences. Now, open yourself up to allowing this intention to settle into your unconscious. Embrace these desired feelings, allowing them to fill you from the inside out. Let them become a guiding star for your decisions and actions throughout the day. Continue breathing with your eyes closed. Just let your attention start to focus back on my voice. Allow yourself to be guided by this intention today. Allow it to show you new possibilities you may not have seen before and guide your actions. Now let's take 3 more deep breaths together. Take a deep inhale in, holding it for a beat, and exhale it out. Again, an even deeper breath than the one before, feeling it weave in and out of your muscles and cells. And exhale it out. Last time, your deepest breath yet, sending that oxygen through your entire body and solidifying once again your intention for the day. And exhale it out. And open your eyes upon my signal. And now you can open your eyes and thank yourself, beautiful spirit. Embark on your day with a renewed sense of purpose, knowing that every step you take is leading you towards the experience you desire. Let's re-inspire your dreams, unlock hidden possibilities, and guide your journey with a sense of peace and mindfulness. We're here for you, here at Spiritual Station.